You've Googled it and you've tried it, and yet you're nowhere to be found in ChatGPT results. But here's the deal. Most of the advice out there, straight up trash. The real game, it's not SEO, it's not ads, it's not anything else. It's literally PR, public relations, but for robots. Nobody is doing it right, but you will, because in the next however minutes, I'm breaking down exactly how to make AI models recognize you, your business, and your brand, with proof. This whole idea is inspired by a killer LinkedIn post from Rand Fishkin, and thanks again Rand Fishkin, where he referenced a deep dive by Wolfram on how AI models process information. If you don't know who these guys are, Google them. They're the real deal. Or you can just click the links in the description. I've put the links directly to them and to the article. The problem is that basically most people think getting mentioned by AI is like ranking on Google. That's wrong. LLMs don't rank, they predict. So why aren't you showing up? Because ChatGPT and the other LLMs doesn't see websites. It sees language. It sees context. If your words don't show up in the right places next to the right keywords, AI won't recognize you. It's like pulling up to a black tie event in gym shorts and flip-flops. You're just not in the right space. As an example, Rand mentioned SparkToro versus audience research tools. SparkToro is an audience research tool, but it doesn't appear on LLMs when you search for it. So if your name is always associated with the wrong thing, it will assume that's what you are. Here's the source also in the links. Another example would be if you want ChatGPT to list you, your bio needs to be everywhere. Consistency, context, credibility. Now that you get the game, let's break down exactly how to work the system, because that's what you're here. So, technique number one, keyword embedding in PR. Take microblogs, guest articles, podcast bios, your LinkedIn headline. Every little thing matters, and you have to be consistent. If you take, for example, guest podcasting and bio placement, your name plus expert in X, Y, or Z needs to show up in legit sources over and over again. Find the sources about these articles. I left you a link about this in the description. So basically what it boils down to is how LLM works. LLMs don't understand words. They predict what words will come after, before any given word. It's statistic. The more you will appear in that order in the wide web, the more it will give this answer about you. So you train the LLM by showing up everywhere in mostly legit sources by associating always these words. And this is a PR work. Or example two, high authority guest articles. We did this for years for SEO. So try to work with other people that have blogs in order to appear in their blog. If your content lands on a high authority site, it trusts it more than on your own website, which is like obvious. Still, source down there. I won't repeat this because all the sources will be always down there. And in order to do this, guess what? Still, PR. Public relations, press relations, very important. If you're not good at it, hire someone for it. It will be revolutionary for you. And also, you could use, in order to do this, Rand Fishkin's website, SparkToro. It's really excellent in order to find the right audiences for you and know who is writing for them, like what they are reading, who they are trusting, and these kind of things. Training AI is like training a puppy. If you only say sit once, it won't get it, but repeat it everywhere and boom, you're the sit guy. Now that we understand how it works, let's fix your digital footprint. We'll start with step one, rewrite your digital presence. Your LinkedIn is messy, your website is outdated, and your bio is probably weak. So we're fixing it right now. We'll start with your LinkedIn headline. Let's check a headline hack. Your headline should match how people search for your skill. Not that you're a daddy or that you love dogs and this kind of things. Find out what is the keyword, what is the skill that you want to be associated with. Take this skill, search for it on Google, search for it on LinkedIn, and see what is showing up. Analyze these and take inspiration from them and take the keywords that are repeating everywhere that you see. Oh, it's here, 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 and here. Take these and incorporate them into your bio by making it yours, by adapting it to your situation. Don't just copy. Very bad. And secondly, we will update your personal website metadata. Now we're in SEO territory. AI loves structured data. Optimize your schema markup. Quick aside, what is schema markup? Schema markup is a way of structuring data. All these search engines said, okay, we need to know what is a title, what is a description, what is an image, what is this and that. And for that, we mark up certain part of the code with tags. You know tags. So these are schema markups, and you can easily learn about them. It's open source, it's open, like you can find it everywhere. And people who know SEO, yours truly, know how to do this. Go over your website and change some markups. You can use tools to optimize all of this, but basically it's very easy once you know how it works. We can teach you how to do it. So you could think of AI like a lazy intern. If your name is buried under fluff, it won't bother remembering you. And that's about all it boils down to. So if you wanna start working on this, just know and learn about PR or hire someone that can do it for you. So if this video brought you any value, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment, good or bad. Small channels live on engagement, and this helped me fine-tune what I put out for you. But most importantly, stay unlikely.